One of these children. If you don't wash his clothes, if you don't wash his clothes. Wash it.
Daddy told you to wash this coat.
We're going to wash it. We don't wash clothes. Turn it around.
Oh, this girl.
Then won't press my screen. And tell what that is not here now.
Hey, Daddy.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock.
Daddy.
Hey!
I'm good, Daddy.
How are you?
Hi, sir.
Where's Saloma?
Sir, she's pressing phone.
She's pressing phone.
Yes, sir. And sir, then she not take me to go and wash clothes.
She said she washed the clothes.
Yes,
The
sir.
clothes I told her to wash since morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, is that what you're washing now?
Sir, yes.
Saloma, where's my cake?
Sir,
What?
I know where is it though.